Hello everyone, this is Ankush Sikarwar and in this video we will be looking at Introduction to IoT and its application in smart agriculture. So what is IoT? Internet of Things, that is IoT, is the networking of physical objects that contain electronics embedded within their architecture in order to communicate and sense interactions amongst each other or with respect to the external environment. IoT devices are all around us, constantly transmitting data and talking with other IoT devices. We come across IoT devices almost every day in the form of virtual assistants, smart electronics, and in our wearable health trackers. Each Internet of Things device tracks information in real time and relays it to us to help make our lives safer, healthier, or more efficient. Some examples of IoT devices are smart appliances, wearables, smart speakers, smart TVs, smart meters, smart home automation devices, smart security systems, wireless inventory trackers, environmental monitoring devices, and many more. So why do we need IoT? RFID Journal from 1999 quotes that if we had computers that knew everything there was to know about things using data they gathered without any help from us, we would be able to track and count everything and greatly reduce waste, loss, and cost. IoT is being used in many different areas like environmental monitoring, infrastructure management, industrial applications, energy management, medical and healthcare, home automation, and transport systems. Let's look at the usage and growth of IoT. In 2003, the ratio of connected devices to living human beings was 0.08 to 1. By 2008, the number of devices connected to the internet exceeded the number of human beings on the planet. As of 2018, that ratio is nearly 6:1. By 2015, a total of 15.41 billion devices were connected to the internet. Thanks to new wireless technologies and other IoT related advancements, that number will balloon to 75 billion devices by 2025. That represents an increase of 487%. The demand for internet connected vehicles is growing dramatically as well. AT&T is currently one of the largest players in that market. Out of the 48.2 million devices AT&T reported having on their network at the beginning of 2019, 24 million of these were cars. So how does IoT actually work? An IoT system consists of sensors or devices which talk to the cloud through some kind of connectivity. Once the data gets to the cloud, software processes it and then might decide to perform an action such as sending an alert or automatically adjusting the sensors or devices without the need for the user. But if the user input is needed or if the user simply wants to check in on the system, a user interface allows them to do so. Any adjustments or actions that the user makes are then sent in the opposite direction through the system from the user interface to the cloud and back to the sensors or devices to make some kind of change. Now let's look at the application of IoT in agriculture. IoT-based smart farming improves the entire agriculture system by monitoring the field in real time. With the help of sensors and interconnectivity, the Internet of Things in agriculture has not only saved the time of the farmers, but has also reduced the extravagant use of resources such as water and electricity. The applications of IoT in farming target conventional farming operations to meet the increasing demands and decrease production losses. IoT in agriculture uses robots, drones, remote sensors, and computer imaging combined with continuously progressing machine learning and analytical tools for monitoring crops, surveying and mapping the fields, and providing data to farmers for rational farm management plans to save both time and money. Integration of IoT with agriculture can revolutionize the landscape in India. With agriculture predicted to contribute about $1 trillion of India's GDP by 2022, it is imperative that India shifts its focus to revolutionizing this sector. To achieve this growth, we need to embrace technologies at our disposal. There is a huge opportunity for the Internet of Things to transform the methodologies applied and processes followed with automation to make operations more efficient, leading to better crop yields. One of the major applications of IoT in farming is agricultural drones. By localization mapping and analysis of high-resolution images captured by the drone, more efficient crop management can be made possible. The major benefits of using drones include crop health imaging, integrated GIS mapping, ease of use, saves time, and the potential to increase yields. With strategy and planning based on real-time data collection and processing, drone technology will give a high-tech makeover to the agriculture industry. Livestock monitoring is another application of IoT in farming. Large farm owners can utilize wireless IoT applications to collect data regarding the location, well-being, and health of their cattle. Using IoT sensors in a wearable device, farmers can choose to monitor several things like each animal's health, location, eating habits, and reproductive cycle. Even the herd's grazing and movement patterns in pastures can be monitored using these devices. IoT is also being used in smart greenhouses. For controlling the environment in a smart greenhouse, different sensors that measure environmental parameters according to the plant requirement are used. IoT-driven smart greenhouses can intelligently monitor as well as control the climate, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Various sensors are deployed to measure the environmental parameters according to the specific requirements of the crop. That data is stored in a cloud-based platform for further processing. IoT sensors can also measure soil temperature, volumetric water content, photosynthetic radiation, soil water potential, and soil oxygen levels. Soil monitoring with IoT uses technology to empower farmers and producers to maximize yield, reduce disease, and optimize resources. Data from the IoT sensors are transmitted back to a central point for analysis, visualization, and trend analysis. IoT is also being used in monitoring of climatic conditions. IoT solutions enable you to know real-time weather conditions. Sensors collect data from the environment which is used to choose the right crops which can grow and sustain in particular climatic conditions. The whole IoT ecosystem is made up of sensors that can detect real-time weather conditions like humidity, rainfall, temperature, and more very accurately. There are several types of sensors available for the farmers to detect all these parameters and configure their farm accordingly. Now let's look at the IoT challenges in agriculture. The first one is connectivity. Unfortunately, the connectivity still poses a problem in the Internet of Things in general, as diverse systems use different protocols and data transmission methods. Development of 5G technology and the space-based internet can soon solve this problem and provide fast and reliable internet connection for every space regardless of its size and conditions. The next challenge is design and durability. Any IoT system used in agriculture should be able to handle not only connectivity but the conditions of outdoor spaces. Drones, portable sensors, IoT in smart grid, and weather monitoring stations should have an uncomplicated yet functional design and a certain level of robustness to work in the farm. The next challenge is limited resources and time. The role of IoT in agriculture is very important, though the integration of smart technology in this area takes place in the context of a constantly changing environment and lack of time. The companies who design and develop IoT for agriculture have to take into consideration rapid climate change and emerging weather extremes, work with limited land availability and unfavorable factors like dying pollinators. Thus, the IoT agricultural applications are making it possible for ranchers and farmers to collect meaningful data. Large landowners and small farmers must understand the potential of IoT market for agriculture by installing smart technologies to increase competitiveness and sustainability in their productions. With the population growing rapidly, the demand can be successfully met if the ranchers as well as small farmers implement agricultural IoT solutions in a prosperous manner. Thank you for watching this video.